Hello, everyone. We are your hosts, Mady Tyson
and Manjit. This video series is produced by EPIC, the Energy Policy Innovation Council at Arizona State University. Energy Policy Innovation Council informs and educates on current complex issues in energy policy that impact Arizona and beyond. Welcome back to the video series that explains rate regulation. Today, we'll be talking about the second part, allocation of cost to customer classes.
To calculate the total money the utility needs, the regulators conduct a cost study based on a test year to include the effects of weather and other annual impacts.
There are two main types of cost studies, embedded cost studies and marginal cost studies. The type of cost study will change the division of cost to customer classes. Cost of service studies use complex arithmetic models and their methods are highly controversial.
So let's look into these studies. First, embedded cost studies. Embedded cost studies take the test year costs and divide these costs among the customer classes. They assign each cost to the various classes of customers so that the total for all customer classes equals the revenue requirement. About 30 of 50 states in the U.S. rely on embedded cost studies to allocate costs.
The other type of cost study is marginal cost studies. They are very different compared to embedded cost studies. First, they calculate what it would cost to provide incremental service at the current costs of adding facilities and acquiring additional power. About 20 out of 50 states in the US use marginal cost studies to set rates.
Now let's look into the basis of allocating these costs. A few of them are customer count, peak demand, energy usage, smart grid costs, vintaging of costs, and non-cost considerations.
Customer count, the total number of customers of the utility.
Peak demand, the maximum kilowatt hour demand from a customer in a given billing cycle.
Energy usage, the amount of energy used by the customer.
Non-cost considerations. Commissioners do apply considerations other than cost when setting rates. These can be partly judgmental and partly political, not just technical. Any of these metrics can be applied to a customer class, such as residential or industrial.
With that, the second part of rate regulation comes to an end. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the remaining final part.